In this video, I'll show you how to put products on sale in Shopify. Specifically, we'll go over two scenarios: how to set sale prices for simple products with no variants, and how to do the same thing for products with multiple variants. As the first example, let's open the simple product called wooden outdoor table. As you can see, it currently retails at $100. Let's assume we'd like to put it on sale at $50. So to make this change, the process is as follows. First of all, log into your Shopify admin account, then click on products. Now locate the product. Let me see, it's right here. Wooden outdoor table. Let's open it. Once the product editor loads, scroll a bit down till you find the pricing section right over here. So to put the product on sale, first of all, copy the price and paste in the compared price field. And now once again, adjust the price. In my case, I would like to put it on sale at $50. Perfect. Once complete, just save the changes. Now make sure to allow about a minute or two for the changes to update. Then go back to your website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, the product is on sale at $50. Now, if you have products with multiple variants, the process is very similar. Let me go back to my catalog. Let's find another product like vanilla candle. As you can see, it has multiple variants, small, medium, and large. Let's assume we'd like to put each variant on sale. For that, once again, go back to the Shopify admin. Let's go to products. Let's find vanilla candle. It's right here. Once the product editor loads, scroll a bit down till you find the variant section. Let's start off with a small variant. Let's open it. And once again, just copy the price, paste it in the compared price field. And let's assume the sale price is going to be for the small variant at $10. And then let's save the changes. Now let's do the same thing for the medium variant. Once again, copy the price, $30, paste in compared price field, and the sale price is going to be $15. And for the large variant, the same thing. Copy the price, paste in compared price field, and once again, the sale price is going to be $20. Save the changes. Just like before, allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Now go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, the large variant is on sale at $20, medium variant at $15, and the small variant at $10. So as usual, I hope you found this short video helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.